Hello friends, I am Ayaan Makani and now we are going to make a butterfly. So let's start. For that we need an A4 size sheet, pair of scissors, Fevicol MR and some crystals. So with these crystals we are going to decorate the butterfly, and the crystals are optional. You might make the butterfly more better by using these crystals, and we can also make a plain sheet butterfly. For decorating we can use these crystals. So let's start. These things we'll put it aside. Fevicol, crystals, and this we don't need now. First we'll take a plain A4 size paper and then fold it into a square sheet. If you already have a square sheet, so you can use that. Otherwise, we will fold this square sheet into half. Right? We're making a triangle. It's like this. So we'll take it like this. Now, this line you can see from here. We have to cut the rest of the portion. The rest of the portion from the triangle we made while holding the paper. Now we have this square sheet and a line between, you can see. Now we don't need this, so we'll keep it aside. And now we have folded like this. This is one line. You can see this is a line, and the other side this is a line, so we have to fold now this top at the bottom of this. So we take it and match it. So you can see this is our another triangle, and this is, we have made a cross. Now the cross, now if we look at this side, now it's been a cross. So from at this top, from this top to this top, from this bottom, we'll match it like this. Now in this case we have to make a rectangle. You can see in this case we have made a rectangle. This was the cross, and we have made a line between the cross, and the same we'll do it like this. Now we have done this. So now we have to fold this into a half and then open it again. So we will take one side like this and make it like this. You can see it again. This is the one side rectangle. We will do it like this. We will make like this and fold it from inside. And this is the outside portion we have made. And the another same side we will do the same. can see it's again in triangle shape. So this, the thing which is extra, we are going to cut it. Or to equal it, you can also cut it like that. And these are the lines we got. So this is also waste. This is, we will keep it aside. Now this, we have made a triangle. Now the triangle, we will fold the bigger triangle into a small triangle. So you can see its bottom. This, you can see the shape. Now we will cut this bottom into an circular shape. This way. Here it goes. Now we have to open it from the between. And this you can see, this is a triangle, but its corner are not sharp as a triangle is. So this side we will take, and one side we will take and fold it this way. This is our one side, and then we will fold it and it will become like this. And same with another side. Now same thing we have done with the another side. You can see this was the another side, and now we have also done it like this. Now this lower portion you can see, this lower portion, this, a little bit we will fold it and take it to the front. And when we have taken it to the front, this is the back portion, and now we will paste it like this. Now this is our origami butterfly we have made, and the optional thing at the last, we can also decorate it with the crystals. So these are the crystals. We will take the Fevicol MR and make one dot at a little portion of the butterfly and paste an crystal there. So I have pasted one crystal there, and the next crystal, this we will take and paste it here at the another side. I have 4 crystals, so I pasted on all the sides of the butterfly, or on the 4 sides of the butterfly. And now you can see our butterfly is ready. These are the crystals on all the 4 sides, and this how we made the butterfly. Thank you.